Hi you guys, welcome back to Jenn Scent Click. I'm Jen, your favorite Scentsy gal, and right now I am currently working on my March goodie bag. So I figured I would show you guys exactly what a goodie bag is, because I do get a lot of questions about what's inside my goodie bag. So I have a couple different things I'm going to show you. I have February's goodie bag as well as March's. And I typically do two different price points. I do a $20 price point and a $30 price point. What's exciting is this month I did two completely different bags, which I'm so excited about. Typically, I have everything that's in the $20 bag is in the $30 bag, but it has an extra product or something like that. But this month I did two completely separate ideas. So I'm so excited. All right, so let's start with February's. I'm so excited for February's. So February's was Dreaming of Paradise. So everything in this bag is going to contain something about paradise. And to me, paradise is tropical beaches. So we have this lovely tissue. And I always put like a little note card in there is saying exactly what's inside of the bag, along with the theme. And then there's just a little love brag tag, little card. I love referrals. So I love when people share Scentsy with their friends and family. So if one of my customers refers somebody to me, I like to reward them with a little something. So, but first off, we have the inspiration for this February's theme, which is the Make a Splash body wash. So this is a brand new scent for our body line, and so I wanted to get this into my customers' hands. Like, I always forget we even have body wash. So I recently ordered this a few months ago and I just fell in love with it. So Make a Splash. So next I have, to go with the body wash, I have some hand cream, and that's the Coconut Daiquiri hand cream. And I picked this scent because coconut daiquiri, who doesn't want a nice tropical drink on the beach? So coconut daiquiris. And then hand creams, it's Chicago, we're in the dead of winter, end of winter, whatever you want to call this time of year, and our hands are dry and chapped, so everybody needs a good lotion. So that's why I picked the lotion and why I picked the scent, Coconut Daiquiri. And then I have a car bar. I love our car bars. Oh my goodness, I love it. So it just reminds me of, it just makes me like more calm, especially because most of the driving I do is going into the office. So yeah, why not have it smell good in your car? But this is great. So I did Coastal Sunset. So obviously the name Coastal, and who doesn't love a beautiful sunset, especially on the beach? So this is just an amazing scent. I love this scent. So that's the car bar. So these three items make up the $20 bag. So you got the hand cream, the body wash, and the car bar. So what made it the $30 bag is, oh my goodness, it's one of my favorite products. It's our washer whiffs, a little tub of washer whiffs. So I did a Fiji water, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. So nice and tropical-y and amazing. So you always need your laundry to smell amazing, so why not make it smell beachy? So that's February. So that's the $30 bag for February. All these goodies. All right, so March's goodie bag. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I did two completely different themes. So my $20 bag looks like this. So cute. I'm so excited for this. So the theme for March was loads of luck. So I'm so excited. All right, so we have our little card with what's inside along with the love brag tag. And what I did is I did 7 scent circles. So it's the color of the rainbow. We got the red, the orange, the yellow, the blue, the indigo, and the purple or violet. So I just kind of made, did it in the style of the rainbow and tied it all together with ribbon to make it all pretty. And then I'm also including a wax bar. And this is the first time I am including wax in my goodie bags. So I did a poll on my Facebook group, which I'll link below. So if you want to see more Scentsy and be involved in making choices on the goodies that you guys get, don't forget to join the Facebook group. But a lot of my customers said they don't mind getting wax in their goodie bags. So I'm including a green bar of wax. And then, of course, loads of luck you can't have without some Skittles. So I threw in some Skittles, and oh my gosh, I forgot what these are called, but the Ferrero Rocher, like hazelnut chocolate goodness. Oh my goodness, I love these. So it's like a little pot of gold. So I threw a couple of those in there. So that is my $20 bag that my customers are getting. Super cute. Now, the $30 bag. I'm so excited for this. So the $30 bag's still gonna include a couple of scent circles. We got some yellows and greens. Like I said, loads of luck. I'm thinking like Irish, St. Patrick's Day's in March. So green and yellow. We got pineapple mango. Oh, love this scent. I cannot say that enough. I love it. Apple teeny splash. And here comes the sunflowers. Oh, that's such a good scent too. So we got those 3 scents. And then, I'm so excited for this one. We're doing wall fan diffusers. So excited. And then of course, because not everybody has pods, they're gonna come with a green pod, which is Amazon Rain, and it just smells so good. So nice and refreshing. So yeah, so they're gonna be getting the wall fan diffuser with a pack of pods, 3 scent circles, and they're getting 2 wax bars, 2 green wax bars in their goodie bag this month. So I'm so excited. I'm really excited about this month. And the finished product looks like this. I just kind of made this all cute and everything. And of course you got the Skittles and the hazelnut chocolate yumminess with the pots of gold. So yeah, so this will just be in its bag. Like I said, I'm just kind of working on this right now and figured I would shoot a quick video for you guys. So if you love what you're seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you want your very own goodie bag for next month or maybe in May or later down the road, just click the link to the forum saying, I want a goodie bag, and I will make sure to get you guys a goodie bag for next month or whatever month you're interested in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.